Hello, today we are working on the Cotton Cuts, States of America, New Jersey, which is the third state. So I'm gonna open this up, fish out the stuff here, and here's all my pieces. Look at how beautiful. And I have this one. I am going to take the directions as usual and tape it up there. So we have New Jersey. The capital is Trenton. It became a state in December 18th, 1787. The state bird is the eastern goldfinch. The state flower is the violet. The production is blueberries, cranberries, and peaches. I actually didn't know about the cranberries. I knew about the blueberries and peaches. I thought they were going to say tomatoes. Go figure. The area is 8,723 square miles. A famous person from New Jersey is Frank Sinatra. Didn't know that either because he sings about New York. Interesting fact is the National Marbles. I don't know what that is. The National Marbles Tournament is held there. Now that makes sense. And the quilt shop to visit is called the Pin Cushion in Vineland, New Jersey. Oh, I might have to visit them. They're close enough. All right, so let's get to this. So I'm going to take my white and blue, and let's see, how am I doing this? All right, that's the way it should look. And I'm going to go ahead and take my pieces and come in. 1, 2, and I'm doing this all in real time. All right, so, whoa, I got an itch. Let's see. Okay, we are going to start off 1/4 of an inch. Make sure I'm doing this right. Yes. You see how fast this goes? You just go right to sewing. I'll tell you, I haven't sewn like this in years, so I'm always so used to strip piecing and other different ways of making things. This is kind of cool. Now we have our 4 pieces. We're going to come in and cut away. Take my pressing board, and so it has you pressing towards the blue. And does that look right? Yes, it does. So pressing towards the blue. Yes. Take this and press towards the blue, and then you will have 4 pieces like this. We are going to come in here and now add this whole bit to our statehood flower, which is the violet. Such beautiful fabric. Such beautiful fabric, these florals. Here we go. we're doing 4 of these. See, all these are traditional blocks. I just couldn't tell you the names of all of them. But they're going by pretty quick here. Now I'm going to come in and pull these apart, and we're going to iron. Take this end piece, and this is saying that we're taking the big square and pressing it over onto itself, which is actually what this block wants to do. It wants to press in that direction. Excuse me. And now we're going to make the construction of our block. So it is letting us know that we have to make 2 blocks that look like this. And I set them there. And now I am going to sew them. Everything is laying down so beautifully. Everything is pressed correctly. Everything is laying down beautifully. Everything is nesting beautifully. So that's a great sign. Remember, this is my 3rd Cotton Cuts block that I've ever made. I could see how people definitely become obsessed and love it. Now it is saying that this gets pressed this way and this one gets pressed this way, and then this comes down. Now it doesn't necessarily say that here. It has you actually break them apart. I like to keep mine together webbed, my personal preference. And it's saying to pop the seam. So I'm doing that. And there we go. Look at how beautiful. Everything is laying beautiful. And here's the block. Did I do that right? Let's see. That one's going there. Nope. I didn't do something right. Knew something looked a little off. What did I do wrong? Phooey. But you know what? I leave my mistakes in. So clearly I did something wrong. We're going to come back here and see what I did wrong. And I have my trusty little eyebrow trimmer. I'm just going to rip. I have no choice. I have to rip it because if not, I can't leave that mistake in. That's a pretty big mistake. I got turned around. It's okay. And it's okay to be turned around. I'm not perfect. This is my 3rd block I've ever done with them. So let's see what I've done wrong. Maybe there's a reason why they have so I'm going to take my little rubber stopper to clean these off. And the same on this side. My little rubber stopper to clean them off. Perfect. So I have, what did I do wrong? This is right. And this one's right. So what did I do? That's supposed to be there. I still don't know what I did wrong. It said make 2. So I made 2. But it's not doing what it needs to do. It's supposed to. Aha. Well, that, okay. Here, that goes there. Oh, that's what I did wrong. Okay. So the way they had it in the picture, on the first picture, is one way. But then when you look at the bottom picture, you rotate it twice. And that's what I did wrong. And so therefore then one of these is wrong, because if that, this one is getting me. It's getting me good. This one is like this, and it's saying that this has to go. Okay, that's what I did. I pressed wrong, one of these wrong too. So that goes like that. Oh. You know, it's a good thing I make mistakes, right? Because now you are learning. If you are doing this with me, you will see how I've made a mistake. And hopefully that helps you out. Come in here and pin. And now let's try this for another time. But not bad for making a mistake in only 12 minutes in with the intro. Not bad at all. Here we go. Now this looks right. 13 minutes in with a mistake, and we have a New Jersey block, in which I will take that, pop a clip, and put that aside. See you all soon. Take care of yourself. Pass it forward. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, and share my channel. I'm trying to get to 2,500 subscribers. So take care. Bye.